happened to your shiny red paint?
You look like Thomas.
Hey? Oh, I'm blue! Oh, no! Nobody thinks blue engines are splendid.
Gordon's come down with boiler rake. Could you please take the express for him, James?
Not in this colour. What would everyone say?
It doesn't matter what colour paint you have, James. It's what you do to be really useful that matters.
Look, Daddy. Edward is going to be taking our train.
Oh. Pulling the express was never this easy before. These coaches are so light I can go as fast as I want. Woohoo! Break way for an important engine. Express coming through.
James, stop showing off before you have another crash.